Hello people of the internet. Today I'm going to show you how to restore the Add All to Playlist button on YouTube, which is something I used a lot, but hasn't been working for a while. I think I figured out a way. So what you used to be able to do was grab this extension, ampersand disable underscore polymer equals true, and I used to add it to like the end of a playlist link up here, and what you would do is you would click here and used to be able to see the old YouTube and add all the songs on the playlist to a different playlist, but that no longer works, unfortunately. You are able to do it regardless of whether or not you have this ending. Oops. You're able to do it regardless because they've restored the function, but only to playlists that you have created. So if I go over here, you can add all of these songs on this playlist I've created to, I don't know, any playlist. But if you want to add songs from, or whatever, from a playlist that you didn't create, like say this one is from How to Cook That, which I did not create, this option isn't available. So I did discover on YouTube Music that you're able to do this. What you have to do is just edit the URL link, get rid of everything before YouTube, and then type music.youtube. And the reason you don't just go over here and find any playlists on the YouTube Music homepage is because this playlist, for example, is called 200-Year-Old Recipes, and because it doesn't have any music videos on it, they're all like normal videos, not music. It doesn't show up here. It would show up somewhere around here if it was supposed to be there, but it doesn't. So if you edit the URL, you're able to get it here, and then you just go to these three dots, you click Add to Playlist. I'm going to make a new playlist here just for fun. And that should work. I'll go to View. So, and then we'll add, just for fun, we'll add all these to the same playlist. And I don't think it matters whether or not we view this on YouTube or Music YouTube. Let's go back to regular YouTube. And now you've added everything from the playlist that you didn't create and the one that you did create. So this should work. Does as of, what's today? February 2021. So good luck. Happy playlisting.